Hello everyone. If you're taking the Key Stage 2 SATS exam this summer, this video will definitely help you to brush up your arithmetics and reasoning skill. In this video, we are going to show a predicted paper for 2022 Key Stage 2 Paper 1 Arithmetic. You can pause the video and do the working out and find the answer. In the end, we will show the working out and the answers so that you can mark or your parents can mark. And if any questions are wrong, don't worry, you can redo the questions again, try to understand. So this week is going to be your arithmetic SATS exam, will be fine for you. Have a look of the video. Right. We hope you have completed your arithmetic paper 1 we showed you, and now we are going to show the working out for each questions and the answer so that you can mark the paper by yourself. Question number 1. 7,999 add with 2. So you can easily do a column addition. So 9 add 2 is 11, 1 remaining 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, 1 remaining, 1 plus 9 is 10, 0 and 1 remaining, 1 plus 7 is 8. So when you're writing the answer, you can put 8,001 or you can put 8001. So don't write the comma as a big, it may be like looks like a different one. So just either you can write as a comma or without comma. Question number 2. 3,450 add with 64 is the column addition. Again you can put, so 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 5 is 11, and 1 to the next number, 1 plus 4 is 5 and 3. So the answer is 3,514. Question number 3. 913 equal to 890 plus a box plus 5. So what it is actually, you need to add these two numbers first. 890 plus 5 is 895. That need to be taken away from 913. So you can do the column subtraction. 895 taken away from 913. So 1 cross, that is 0, then that is 13. 13 take away 5 is 8, and 9 goes to 8 here, that comes to 10, take away 9 is 1. So the answer is 18. So this is the answer, 18. So the correct answer for the question number 3 is 18. So we are moving on to the question number 4 and 5. Question number 4, something take away 4 is equal to 601. So you need to do the inverse operation. 601 add with 4 and the answer is 605. So 605, it's the correct answer for the question number 4. Question number 5, 35 times by 7, and this is a column multiplication, 7th time table, 7 times 5, 35, 5 and 3 remaining, and 7 lots of 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. So 245 is the correct answer. And question number 6, decimal addition. You need to concentrate, the decimal point is careful, 4.85 add with 3.291. So this is the addition you need to do. So the 1 doesn't have a space, so you can put a filler 0. So you can, when you add 1 with 0 is 1, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 and 1 remaining, 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 2, 11 and 1 remaining, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3 is 8.141 is the question number 6. We are moving on to the question number 7, 8, 9. Question number 7, 240 divide by 4. So you have the timetable ready. 4 goes into 6 is 24 and 4 goes into 6, 0 is the answer. So 4 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 60 is the correct answer for question number 7. And question number 8 is 240 divide by, you can do a bus stop method, 5 divide by 5. How many 5s are going to be in 24? If you tell the timetable, 5 timetable, 5 goes into 4 is 20, 4 remaining. For the 4 and 0 is 40, 5 goes into 8 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. So the correct answer is 48 for the question number 8. And question number 9, any number multiplied by 0, it's going to be 0. That is the question number 9. And we are moving on to the question number 10, 11, and 12. So let's do the question number 10. 108, a short division with the bus stop method, divide by 6. 6 goes to 1 is 6. 4 remaining for 48. 6 goes into 8 is 48. So the answer for the question number 10 is 18. Question number 11, 83 take away 69. So 83 take away 69, 8 goes into 7. So this is 13. 13 take away 9 is 4. 7 take away 6 is 1. So the answer is 14. Question number 12, 607 minus a box equal 589. So when you got stuck on this box type of question, I want you to understand, prepare another question for yourself to understand. 5 take away something is 2, right? Prepare this question to understand first, then you can do the actual question later on. 5 take away something is 2 means we know the answer is 3. So 5 take away 2, that is the answer 3. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to reverse the questions. So now I am going to do the 607 take away 589. Right? So take away. So this is going to be 6 becomes the 5 and he gave 1. So this becomes 10. 10 becomes 9 and this is 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. And 5 take away 5 is 0. So no need that one. So the answer is 18 is the question number 12. And we are going to the question number 13. And we'll do the 13 and 14 and 15 together. Question number 13 is 1440 divide by 12. So when you divide by 12, 12 goes into 1 is 12 and 2 remaining for 24. 12 goes into 2 is 24 and 0 is 12 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 120 is the correct answer. Question number 14, 18.65 times by 10. You need to understand the decimal multiplication by 10. 10 has 1 0. The decimal jump into 1 to the right. So 186.5 is the correct answer for the question number 14. Question number 15, 80 divided by bracket 50 take away 34. In the maths order of operation, bottommost has to be do the first. 50 take away 34. You can do that column subtraction. Don't make any careless mistake. 5 goes into 4 and this is going to be give 10. 10 take away 4 is 6 and 4 take away 3 is 1. So 16. 80 take away 16 again. So 80 take away 16 is the answer. 8 becomes 7 and this is become 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 7 take away 1 is 6. So 64 is the correct answer for question number 15. Question number 16. Question number 16 and 17 and 18 we will do. So let's do this one. Question number 16. 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3. You know 5 is going to be multiply 3 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times by 5. It is going to be 125. That is the answer. Question number 17. 201 times by 10,000. So when you are timesing by 10, 100 and thousands, count how many zeros are there. 4 zeros are there. So 2, 0, 1, add 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put a comma here, you put a comma here. The answer is 2,010,000 is the correct answer, but you don't need to put the comma. You can leave it as the number and make sure the count of zeros are correct. Question number 18, 20% of 5,000. 20% of 5,000. How to do that one? So 20%, so first 10% of 5,000, 10% of 5,000, we need to do the knock the 2 zeros, so 50, right? So 20% we need to times by 2, so 10 to 20 is times by 2, so this 50 times by 2 gives the 100, right? So or you can do another method. 20% means 20 over 100 times by 5,000. You may have studied this way. So cut 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 50 times, so 20 times 50 is, right, 20 over 100 times 5,000. 2 zeros cancels, so 10 with 2 zeros. So 1,000 is the correct answer. Where we get the answer, this is not 10%, is 500, and times by 2 is 1,000. So 10% of 5,000, I accidentally say you need to knock the 2 zeros, not 10% means you need to knock only the 1 zero. So 500 is the 10%. So 20% is times by 2 is 1,000 is the correct answer for question number 18. Question number 19, 9 take away 3.25. So you have to write 9 with 2 decimal point with 00. So 3.25. You need to take away, so 9 goes into 8, so this is going to 10, and this is going to 9, and this is going to 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 2 is 7, 8 take away 3 is 5, so 5.75. Question number 20, 0.7 divide by 100. When you divide by 100, it's a 2 zeros there. So 2 jumps, the decimal is going to be go left hand side. So the correct answer is 0.007 is the correct answer. When you divide by 10 is 1 jump to the left. If you divide by 100, the decimal already have a 0.7. So 1 jump and another jump. So 0.007 is the correct answer. And question number 21, 6 with a 0, take away 1.8, right? So 6 goes into 5, and this is 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 5 take away 1 is 4. 4.2 is the correct answer. Question number 22. So we are going to do the question number 22 and 23. So 117 is a mixed number. Take away 3 over 7, right? So if you make this as a improper fraction, 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8 over 7. Take away 3 over 7. 8 take away 3 is 5 over 7. Question number 23, 746 times by 24. Right? So multiply this one. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 remaining. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. 1 remaining. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. I'm going to add the 0 and times by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 remaining. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 7 is 14, and that is the multiplication done. Now addition, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 remaining, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, 1 remaining, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 1. 17,904 is the correct answer. Question number 24 and 25 we are going to do together. So 1 over 3 plus 3 over 5, we are going to be make the denominator same. I'm timesing this by 5, I'm timesing this by 5, and timesing this by 3, and timesing this by 3, and 5 over 15 plus 9 over 15, and the correct answer is 14 over 15. That is the answer for the question number 24. Question number 25 is a bus stop method division. 945 times by 27. Sorry, divide by 27. How many lots of 27 in 94 is 27? One time is 27. 27 two times is 54, and 27 three times is, it's going to be 81, right? So this is for the one time, and this is for the two times, and this is for the three times. If I find the four times, so that is going to be 108. That is too much. So how many lots of 27 in 94 is 3 lots of 27? It is going to be 81, and you can do a long division. 4 take away 1 is 3, 9 take away 8 is 1, and drop the 5, 135. And if you find the 5 times, that is going to be 135. So exactly that goes to 5, and that is 135, no remainder. So the answer is 35 is the correct answer for the question number 25. And we are moving on to the question number 26. 26 and 27, 28, we will do that now. 1 1/3 plus 2 1/5, right? So you can do the improper fraction method. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3, plus 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5. And now you can multiply this by 5, times this by 5, and times this by 3, and times this by 3. So this is going to be 20 over 15 and plus 33 over 15. So the correct answer is 53 over 15 is the correct answer, right? So 53 over 15 is the correct answer, and that is going to be 3 lots of 15 is there, and 8 remaining as a remainder. So 3 times 15 is 45, plus 8 is 53, and that is the mixed number answer for the question number 26. Question number 27, 45% of 620. So how to do this one? 10%, easy to remember. 10%, knock 1 0 is 62, and you can easily find out 40% by multiply by 4. So if you multiply this by 4, you times this by 4 as well. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 6 is 24. Now 5%, you already find out 10% is 62, 5% is 31. Add them up, 9, 7, 279 is the 45%. So that is the correct answer. And we are doing the question number 28, 7 over 8 minus 1 over 3. So this one you can times by 3, times by 3. And this one times by 8, times by 8. So 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, minus 8 over 24. The correct answer is 13 over 24 is the correct answer. That is the question number 29, and we are doing the question number 29 and 30. 41% of 600. So the old-fashioned way is the quickest one to do. 41 over 100 times 600. Knock the two zeros. So you basically 41 times by 6. It's the answer. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 246 is the correct answer. Question number 30 is the long multiplication 6472 multiplied by 34. Right? So when you multiply, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 2 remaining. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2, 8, 1 remaining. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. And start with a 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 remaining. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 remaining. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 is 19. And add that one, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. 1 remaining. 6 plus 4 is 10 remaining. 10 plus 2 is 12 and 2. So 220,048 is the correct answer. Now we are moving on to the question number 31 and 32. So 2 over 5 divide by 3 underneath as a denominator is 1 there. So 2 over 5 times by 1 over 3. So if you do your multiplication, 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 5 is 15, and you can't simplify. That is the answer. 32. Question number 32. 215 and 3/4. And you can make the fraction to an improper. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5 minus 3 over 4. And times by 4, times by 4, and times by 5, times by 5. And this is going to be 44 over 20 and minus 15 over 20. And if you subtract 44, take away 15, it is going to be 29 over 20. Right? So that is going to be 1 whole, 9 remaining over 20. So that is the mixed number answer. We've done the question number 32 and we are doing the question number 33 and 34, and 26% of 350. So we will do the traditional way. 26 over 100 times by 350. So knock the 0. 5 goes into 2 times 10. 5 goes into 7. 2 goes into 1. 2 goes into 13. So the correct answer, 13 times 7, 91 is the correct answer. Question number 34. 135 times by 10. So improper is going to be 8 over 5 times by 10, and 5 goes into 1 and 5 goes into 2, and this is going to be 16 over 1. So the correct answer, you can leave the answer as 16 is the correct answer. And we are moving on to the question number 35 and 36. That is going to be the last question. So 35 is going to be 3/4 times 280. 4 goes into 7 and a 0. And if you multiply by 3, it's going to be 210 is the correct answer. Question number 36 is the long division. 5, 6, 9, 5. Divide by 67. 67 is greater than the 56. So you need to go for the next number is 569. So 67, I'm just going to be multiply by 8 and 67 multiply by 9 and see whether which one is nearby. 8 times 7 is 56, 5 remaining. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 5, 53. 8 times 7 is 56, 5 remaining. 8 times 6, 48 plus 5, 50, 536. I think that is the perfect one. So 8 and I got 536 and remaining is going to be 3 and 3 and 5. So I think we can have 5 because 5 times 7 is 35, 3 remaining. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3 is 33 is the correct answer. So the answer for the question number 36 is 85 is the correct answer. That is the end of the exam. I hope you understand the working out and the explanation. I hope you did all the questions correct. In case if you have any mistakes, don't worry, please look at our previous explanatory videos for the 2019 paper and 2018 paper. The links are in the description. Please practice and do the SATS exam well this week. And we will upload a reasoning paper this evening to make sure you practice that one as well. Good luck.